Welcome to our definitive guide on the AI assistant landscape of 2026. This year marks a historic turning point in technology. We have moved beyond the era of simple interactive chatbots and entered the sophisticated age of truly autonomous digital entities. The defining theme is agentic AI. These are systems that don't just provide information, but execute multi-step tasks autonomously. From managing global logistics to coordinating personal schedules, these agents operate across your entire software stack with minimal human oversight. The market is currently dominated by 4 major players, each having carved out a distinct and powerful functional territory. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft have transitioned from tech providers to the core control planes of our digital lives. Let's begin with OpenAI. Their flagship ChatGPT has evolved into a persistent and omnipresent digital presence. The rollout of the GPT 5.4 family introduced Prism, a dedicated workspace designed for structured scientific and academic research. Prism moves beyond the chat box, providing a high-bandwidth environment for deep, multi-document analysis and structured writing. A core innovation in GPT-5 Pro is advanced reasoning, allowing the model to pause and think through complex queries. This allows the system to verify facts and simulate outcomes before presenting the final, highly accurate response to the user. OpenAI also introduced expanded memory, enabling ChatGPT to remember project contexts and personal styles across months of interaction. This makes the assistant a true long-term partner, evolving with your work and understanding your unique professional requirements. Furthermore, users can now assign specific personalities to the assistant, adjusting its tone and inherent professional bias instantly. To broaden accessibility, OpenAI launched ChatGPT Go at $8 a month, targeting users who need more than the free version. This tier provides a cost-effective entry point for advanced AI, bridging the gap between casual use and professional-grade research. Next, we look at Anthropic's Claude, which has positioned itself as the fiduciary-grade choice for technical and high-stakes tasks. With the launch of Opus 4.8, Anthropic has set a new industry bar for agentic performance and safety-first reasoning. The standout innovation is dynamic workflows within Claude Code, which allows the AI to spawn hundreds of specialized subagents. These subagents can handle codebase scale migrations, autonomously swapping entire frameworks across thousands of files with perfect precision. Anthropic also introduced Effort Control, a simple UI toggle that allows users to determine the depth of the AI's reasoning. High effort triggers exhaustive chain-of-thought logic for high-stakes decisions, while low effort provides cost-effective, near-instant responses. Claude's context window has expanded to a staggering 1 million tokens, making it the leader for large-scale document analysis. This allows enterprises to process entire libraries of legal, technical, or regulatory documentation in a single, comprehensive interaction. Safety remains a core pillar, with Anthropic's constitutional AI frameworks ensuring that high-stakes agents remain aligned with human values. This focus on reliability has made Claude the preferred choice for sectors like healthcare, law, and critical infrastructure management. Google's strategy is ambient intelligence, weaving Gemini into every facet of the Android and Google Workspace ecosystems. The goal is a proactive assistant that lives in the background of your daily life, anticipating needs before they arise. At Google I/O 2026, they introduced Gemini Spark, a 24/7 autonomous agent that powers your daily brief. It proactively scans your digital life, identifying urgent actions and coordinating complex logistics without needing a single prompt. The new multimodal model, OmniFlash, has revolutionized video editing, allowing for professional results using only natural language. OmniFlash can generate high-fidelity video clips and perform complex edits like camera rotation and lighting adjustments in real time. Gemini is now the default action layer for Android, capable of performing cross-platform tasks like universal cart shopping. With screen automation, Gemini can navigate mobile interfaces as a human would, completing complex multi-step processes on your behalf. In Workspace, Gemini functions as a collaborative partner, drafting emails and analyzing spreadsheets with deep contextual awareness. It serves as an always-on secretary during meetings, ensuring that every insight is captured and every action item is delegated. Microsoft's Copilot has focused on becoming the control plane for the modern enterprise, emphasizing security and workflow automation. By integrating deeply with Microsoft 365 and Copilot Studio, it has transformed how large organizations manage their digital operations. Copilot Agent Mode has transformed the Office experience. In Excel, agents can now perform autonomous plan mode analysis. In Teams, call delegation allows the AI to answer calls, gather context, and schedule follow-ups, freeing up valuable time for workers. Copilot Studio has shifted to generative orchestration, using a dynamic planner to choose the best tools for any given task. This allows agents to solve complex requests by dynamically connecting to platforms like Salesforce, Zendesk, and Asana without pre-programming. Enterprise security is paramount. Integration with Microsoft Purview provides advanced protection against data leaks and unauthorized access. Features like oversharing remediation alert administrators if the AI has access to sensitive files it shouldn't, ensuring total governance. Copilot Studio also enables organizations to build their own custom agents, tailored to their specific internal processes and data. These custom agents can handle everything from HR inquiries to complex supply chain management, deeply integrated into the company's DNA. Beyond the general-purpose giants, we are seeing the rise of domain-specific agents designed for high-stakes professional fields. In sectors where accuracy and deep knowledge are non-negotiable, these specialized models are increasingly becoming the gold standard. In the legal industry, Harvey AI is the dominant force, utilized by over 40% of the top law firms globally. It can analyze hundreds of thousands of documents simultaneously for discovery, contract review, and advanced legal research. Healthcare sees leaders like a bridge, which provides real-time, native clinical note generation directly from patient interactions. Meanwhile, Viz.ai utilizes over 50 FDA-cleared algorithms for autonomous disease detection, including stroke and cardiovascular issues. For financial research, AlphaSense remains the industry standard, integrating agents that can query 20 years of records in seconds. It allows analysts to instantly uncover market-shaping insights from earnings calls and SEC filings that would take humans weeks to find. In real estate, specialized agents are performing autonomous property valuations and generating hyper-realistic virtual stagings for listings. Travel and HR are also being transformed, with agents handling everything from complex itinerary planning to advanced candidate screening. The gap between proprietary and open-source models has narrowed dramatically, offering powerful, private alternatives for everyone. Meta, Mistral, and DeepSeek have led this charge, providing high-performance models that challenge the proprietary giants on every benchmark. Released in early 2026, Meta's Llama 4 Maverick matches the reasoning and creativity of the most advanced proprietary models. The Scout variant features a massive 10 million token context window, the largest currently available in the open-source community. Mistral remains the preferred choice for European enterprises, providing GDPR-compliant models that prioritize data sovereignty. Mistral remains the preferred choice for European enterprises, providing GDPR-compliant models that prioritize data sovereignty. DeepSeek has emerged as the performance per dollar leader, dominating coding benchmarks with its specialized reasoning architecture. Crucially, on-device models like Microsoft's Phi 4 and Google's Gemma 3 now enable private, air-gapped AI assistants for basic tasks directly on your flagship devices. This allows for secure offline interaction, ensuring that your most personal data never leaves your physical device. Enterprises are now focusing on multi-agent systems, or MAS, to drive unprecedented levels of organizational productivity. By offloading digital grunt work to a workforce of specialized agents, organizations are seeing massive gains in efficiency. Gartner reports that 40% of enterprise apps now utilize this manager-worker-agent architecture for complex tasks. In finance departments, tasks like invoice reconciliation have seen an acceleration of up to 50% using these agents. To summarize, ChatGPT leads in versatility, Claude in reasoning, Gemini in ambient intelligence, and Copilot in enterprise workflow. Whether you need high-stakes research or daily task management, there is now an agent perfectly tailored to your needs and budget. Despite the rapid growth, challenges remain. The agentic gap refers to projects paused due to high compute costs and ROI concerns. Ensuring these systems remain aligned and cost-effective is the next major hurdle for the global AI community. By the end of 2026, 60% of top-tier assistant interactions will be proactive rather than reactive, changing how we live. This shift toward ambient, proactive intelligence will make technology feel like a seamless extension of our own capabilities. AI assistants are no longer just tools. They are our collaborators. The potential for the future is limited only by our collective imagination. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide to AI assistants in 2026. Stay innovative, stay curious, and we'll see you at the frontier. Goodbye.